Welcome to Food Fights, and today we're comparing these two hot sauces. On the left is Frank's Red Hot, weighing in at 12 ounces. The challenger on the right is Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce, also weighing in at 12 ounces. So we're going to compare these two hot sauces to find out which one is better. And right away, the packaging, they're both in glass bottles, which is nice. So as for the packaging, it looks like the Frank's Red Hot is just slightly better, only because of the label. But the real test is what these things taste like. Now, I like a hot sauce based on how much it enhances the food. I'm not looking to cover it up or make a food so hot that I can't taste what I'm eating. There's nothing wrong with a good challenge with somebody else to see how hot of a food you can eat, but the main reason I use hot sauces is for the flavor, and the heat is kind of a secondary thing. So let's start off by smelling each of these. So let's start off with the Frank's Red Hot and see how this smells. That smells like Frank's, and my mouth is watering. That's a good smelling hot sauce right there. But we have a challenger, and that is the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. I've never had this before, so I'm really curious. So let's start off by smelling the Sweet Baby Ray's. It smells kind of similar to the Frank's. Not quite as tangy. Yeah, not quite as tangy, and has kind of a woody smell to it. Yeah, it's a different smell, and like I said, kind of a woody smell. Not a bad smell, just a different smell. So the main thing is how these things taste. First, I'm going to try the Frank's on a tortilla chip, and I'm just wanting to get the taste of the hot sauce here. It's definitely a sharp taste, but it does have taste. It's really not that hot. There's a little bit kicking in the back of the throat there. It's not real super hot. It just has a nice tangy flavor to it, and there's spiciness to it. Just a nice amount of spiciness to it. All right, now let's try the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. Let's see how this is. It's also a very sharp flavor, not as sweet as the Frank's Red Hot. Heat-wise or spiciness-wise, I say it's right on par with the Frank's. I'm going to pour some of this right on the plate so we can see what these look like. I'm going to pour like about a quarter teaspoon out there. So that's the Frank's on the left, and on the right is going to be the Sweet Baby Ray's. And they both look very similar. It looks like the Frank's might be a little bit brighter red. I'm going to try these just right off the plate. The Frank's is a good flavor. Has a sweeter flavor, a sharp flavor, and a bit of a vinegar taste to it, and some spiciness. It's somewhat hot. It's not terribly hot by any means. Now I'm going to try some of the Sweet Baby Ray's. Still a good hot sauce, and still tangy, but not like a sweet tangy like the Frank's is. Has the same amount of heat as the Frank's does. So spicy-wise, I'm going to say they're about equal. All right, let's try it with a burrito. This is a simple burrito here with just meat and cheese because I don't want to cover up the taste of the sauce. The sauce should enhance the food, not overpower it. So I'm going to try this burrito in the Frank's hot sauce. I get a nice bit there. That's good. All right, let's try the Sweet Baby Ray's. Looks like a nice bit of sauce there. Yeah, that's okay. They're both good hot sauces. They both have the same amount of heat. And actually, after trying this, it's possible that the Sweet Baby Ray's has got a little bit more spiciness, that it adds a little bit more heat than what the Frank's Red Hot does. We're going to try this again. We got the Frank's on the left. That's a good hot sauce. And I'm going to get a little bit more of the Sweet Baby Ray's. We're running low here. All right, we'll try more of the Sweet Baby Ray's on here. That's a good hot sauce too. Well, these are both very good hot sauces. They both add, I'd say, a very similar amount of heat, a very similar amount of spiciness, but I like a tangier, a little bit sweeter hot sauce. I like a hot sauce that adds something to the food. This just seems to add just some taste and a little bit of a woody taste to it. So what about the price? Well, the Frank's Red Hot, I paid $2.68, Whereas the Sweet Baby Ray's, I paid $2.49. Not a whole lot of price difference between the two. They're both very good hot sauces. The Frank's is just a better tasting hot sauce than what the Sweet Baby Ray's is. So thanks for watching Food Fights, and please subscribe so we can continue to try it before you buy it. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.